We arrived in False Bay nice and early, and due to the southeaster that was picking up pretty steadily, we didn't put the boat in the water. Instead, we headed down to the beach, to a beach just adjacent to Boulders Beach. I'm pretty sure it was due to these blustery conditions that a lot of the penguins we found still in their burrows. But as the day started wearing on, a couple of the adult penguins started creeping out of the undergrowth and out of their burrows and started drifting down to the water's edge. This time of the year is a whole new beginning for them. It's pretty much the breeding season starts now. And just glancing across the bay itself, you can see a lot of spindrift. The winds were so strong this morning that it was actually blowing the water off the sea. And it was these blustery and windy conditions that kept the penguins closer to home today. A lot of them were jumping into the water, but only close by. They weren't heading out to the sort of open ocean. As we watched them, it was quite apparent that they weren't going to go out to sea, but they definitely wanted to get their feathers wet and start today's preening on the shore and as well as in the water. And just glancing across the boulders or the rocky outcrops, the call to keep their species going was definitely a lot stronger than the call for going out for food today. Unfortunately, the conditions were really terrible, but once again a really nice morning spent with these amazing little flightless birds.